at the gates.
For the win!
Oh, what's this? We have a new thing. Grants the ability to build fences and fire traps. Wow. Builds a unit at a given X and Y coordinate. Okay, so we're starting to get into the coordinates now.
Move down.
Your hero must survive. Get out of the dungeon. So we're gonna use this build method. Allows you to build a fence at a certain spot like this. So it's hero.build xy, whatever it is that we're building, and the coordinates. Mouse over the map to find where you want to place the fence and replace those numbers with an X and Y arguments. Okay. Oh, they already have it here. There's no way I can defeat all those ogres. Jeez! Who are you? We will need to build 2 more fences.
Hover over the map to find XY coordinates for build XY.
Okay. Oh my. That was terrible. Alright, so this is 36 by 31. What did I say? 36 by 31? Oh. Yes. So 36x by 31y. This should be 36 by 27. Okay. Boop. What did I say? 27? Alright. So it looks like we're going to move down and we're just going to throw all the fences down to block the ogres. But like, don't we still have to move somewhere? We'll see. Let's build the fence first.
Move down. Move down. What a pain!
She's building these fences kind of slow. Okay, so we're building the fences and then it looks like we need to move right to the treasure.
Move down. What a pain! Move
Looks like
right.
we need to move right 3 times probably.
Move down. What a pain!
Build the
Move right.
fence. Go, go, go. She didn't really leave. She's still in the dungeon. That's what's up. So we can build fences now to block ogres. Yay!